Hey everyone, back again. I've taken a couple of days off work and I'm hoping to get some more done on the observatory. So right now I'm just waiting on a delivery from Wix's. I've ordered some cladding, some stuff for the roof. So yeah, until that arrives I can't really do a lot, but yeah, I'm just going to show you the progress I've made since my last video. Okay, since we last spoke, I've managed to fit the rollers on each side and some semblance of a roof frame. These aren't fixed on, they were just giving me an idea of how I'm going to build my my slope. But yeah, here we are. This is the roof that rolls, and yeah, once it's out, doesn't need any support, all good. Some tidying up to do, but I've felted the roof and I've started sort of tidying it up a little bit, so I'll have to chop all that excess off. Had a bit of an accident in that corner, but we sorted it, and yeah, be tidying all this up and sort of stretching it out as well, putting a few more tacks in, and yeah, same for this side. I did noggins as well, just sort of randomly. Yeah, coming along. Okay, so I've just done a bit more on the observatory and we've now got 2 walls. This is one of the reasons I am now regretting building it this time of year. However, I'm sure the results will be worth it, and Naomi's already on about like putting stone chip-ins around here and planters and stuff in spring. Notice the flash banding on the roof. I realised, well, it was pointed out to me that I hadn't fitted the felt in an optimum way, which might let water in. So yeah, I've added some flash band, and yeah, I've got 2 walls, one with an air vent. I've got another air vent to fit. Probably do that on the front or the back. Might even get one more to get plenty of airflow in there, but yeah, going well.